Costco reported third quarter financial results after the market closed on Thursday, and they reported third quarter revenue of $63.2 billion, beating the estimate of $63.19 billion. Boy, they really got that close. Maybe I should be buying more stuff there. It looks like the membership-based retailer reported third quarter adjusted earnings of $4.28 per share, beating analyst estimates of $4.13 per share. Net sales for the quarter were up 8% year over year. Total comparable sales were up 5.7% on a year-over-year basis. Here's a breakdown of comparable same stores growth by region. Now, this is the interesting part to me. The U.S. in this last quarter was up 6.6%, and Canada was up 2.9%. This is actually down slightly from its last print. Let me see if I can grab that here for you. Where was it? Yeah, total comps last time was 6.8%. And then the breakdown here, comparable sales in the US were up 8.3% last quarter. They were up 4.6% in Canada. So again, versus this, down a little bit in the US, down a little bit in Canada, but here's the rub. Other international segment, last print, we were up 1.7%. This print, we're up 3.2%. So just about a double there on the international segment. I would not have guessed this. In fact, I would have guessed the opposite. But this to me actually is encouraging here, especially for the long-term view. Membership fees came in at $1.24 billion, up from $1.12 billion the prior year. Costco raised the price of its annual membership by $5 in September of 2024, marking the company's first membership price hike increase since 2017. Now, I'll say the same thing that I said before. I think we actually covered this piece of news the morning that they announced this. This to me is a complete and total non-issue. Whenever they raise the price of their membership, I just kind of chuckle because it's free. The reality is it's free. If you're a savvy Costco shopper, this payment is nothing more than a bill that at some point you have to pay. The reality is if you use the Costco credit card and you have an executive membership, you end up getting 2 rewards. And I think on average, the combination of those 2 rewards for me averages like $1,200 a year. So I am always paying for my membership fee in the rewards that I receive back, and it's like 10x the membership reward. So whenever we get headlines about this, I think we're really testing my memory here. I'm pretty sure that Costco got a pop when they announced this before. And so this is why, because anyone that shops at Costco and gets any of their rewards gives exactly 0 dams about the fee going up. It is minimal. It is insignificant. And it ends up translating to the bottom line here pretty nicely for Costco. So really good stuff there. Love this model. Love this store. Going tomorrow morning. Cannot wait. Costco said it operates 905 warehouses, including 624 in the U.S. The one I go to is the best, by the way. Shout out to the staff there, Cynthia, Chris, Ron. They're all awesome. The company ended the quarter with approximately $13.84 billion in cash and cash equivalents. And they had a conference call here. Again, it's kind of holding flat here today. So I know I talk about it all the time. It's one of my favorite stocks. It's without a doubt my favorite store. Really happy to see earnings here. I'm not sure we're going to get a buy signal here today because my rule on Costco, only buy this when it sells off. Only add this on dips, add it on weakness. Again, just to kind of reiterate, I think both the 50-day and the 200-day, if we get there, are both okay spots for a long side swing here. That's where I would go with Costco.